DEXEE, the robotic hand that's redefining precision and power. For centuries, human hands have shaped the world, from crafting the first tools to performing life-saving surgery. The dexterity is unmatched, making them a tough act for robotics to follow. That's where DEXEE comes in. Developed by Shadow Robot in collaboration with Google DeepMind, the next generation robotic hand takes manipulation to a whole new level. Packed with advanced sensors, network and unique tendon-driven systems, it delivers precision control movement without the usual mechanical hiccups. With 5 motors driving each 3-fingered hand, DEXEE eliminates backlash, ensuring delicate objects can be handled with ease. And after over 1,000 of rigorous testing hours, including stressed impact and real-world learning tests, it proves to be robust as it is intelligent. Now DEXEE is available for wide research shaping the future of robotics. As these technologies become part of our daily lives, we may not even think of them as robots anymore, just powerful tools designed to work alongside us. The future of robotic hand is already within reach. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. And to make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.